Hello everyone, thank you for coming. First time natin mapapanood ng Elevator, and I hope it inspires everyone here, and I hope you help us spread the word. So thank you again for coming. We're gonna have another screening tomorrow, and I hope some of you get invited sa premiere night as well namin. So you can makasama niyo yung full force ng cast and mga tao behind the movie. So thank you.
There you have it. That was Jared of Elevator, Paolo Avellino. Up next, we have an...
Hello everyone. In behalf of our partners, Viva Films, Cinecol, maraming salamat sa inyong pag-attend. We're thrilled to have Paolo Avellino. Palakpakan natin it's such an honor to work with Paolo, and I'm sure all of us here are excited that he's joining us for the screening. Direct Philip King, and on her way is Miss Kylie Versosa. So again, thank you. Please spread the word. At salamat sa pagtangkilik sa pelikulang Pilipino. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, Boss Direk.
We get inspired by our message, and please help us spread the word for our April 24. It's showing nationwide. Thank you, everybody.
There you have it. Thank you very much. Ana habol.
And sweet corn. Where would they call more content? That's a story.
We will have a Q&A right at this moment. So thank you very much. Please sit down, everyone. And we will have a time for the follow-up. Alright, again, to all our friends, to all the influencers, we will have time for the photo op. Thank you very much. Kindly settle down, because this time, alright, Miss Kylie Versosa is here with us. How about a hand, everybody? Kylie, would you like to say a few words for everyone?
Hi everyone! Thank you so much for being here today. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung film. Yes. We really worked hard with it, with Direct Philip, with Paolo. It was an amazing shoot in Singapore. Actually, mas napanood niyo pa guys kaysa kami ni Paolo. We're just about to watch it, pero sana po nagustuhan niyo, and I hope you guys spread the word. Maraming salamat po.
There you have it, Kylie Versosa. And now the captain of the ship. Please welcome Direct Philip King.
Thank you again, everyone, for watching. I hope you enjoyed the experience, the hour and a half that we shared with you guys.
Alright, and this time let's have their photos taken. This is it, guys. This is the photo op. Kylie and Direct Philip. Kindly stay at the center. Please stand up. For all our 3, 2, 1. This time to all our friends on the right side. Thank you. Please face a little on sa right side. A little sa right. In 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. This time a little to your left, please. Kylie and Direct Philip. A little to your left. To all our friends. The influencers sa left side. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. And lastly, sa taas. In 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, One, there you have it. Kylie and Direk Philip, kindly sit down. We will proceed now to our, if you prepared questions for Direk Philip and Kylie, they are here to answer all your questions regarding...
Yeah, showbiz at ganap. So, gusto ko na yung congratulate si Direk and Kylie sa napakagandang movie. So, yung bida, napaka-telegenic on screen, napakaganda ni Miss Kylie, napaka-classy ng mukha niya, napaka-sophisticated. I like the styling and the setting din sa movie. So Direk, may tanong lang ako kasi diba yung mga lines nila limited lang sa scene sa elevator. So it just take a few minutes for the elevator to go up and down. So yung lines pa na binibigay mo sa kanilang dalawa, design po pa siya na maging maiksi lang pero nakakakilig at the same time.
Yes, that was a consideration. And then by design, parang as you go, nung una diba yung kay Jared, ang bilis niya. Kasi nagpe-pitch talaga siya, so yung sinasabayan natin. But as they go closer sila ni Bettina, mas bumabagal ng konti. Parang hindi mo na napapansin kasi siguro hook ka na dun sa mangyayari sa kanila. Then eventually yung sinasabi nga ni Kylie, yung last 3 scenes nila ni Paolo na intense, yun, after namin mag-workshop, mag-collaborate, parang i-revise ko pa yun with their inputs mga 5 more times until we really got it on point. So, yes, tama naman yung yung basa mo dun sa...
Napakaganda kasi na eksena. Na-amaze ako kung paano deliver yung lines na nakakilig at short at the same time. And also to Miss Kylie, nakita ko lang sa screen na kahit sino kanino kay pair, nakita ko na kahit kanino siya pair, kay Marco, kay Paolo, lagi siyang comfortable sa kasama niya sa eksena. So with Paolo, how do you find Paolo as a love team in this movie?
I don't think Paolo and I are co-stars here. Probably not like a love team, but we're more co-stars and more co-workers. He's amazing. Tinitingnan ako siya bilang isang malaki, isang sorry, galing ko. Jet lag pa ako slide, guys. Pero I really admire him bilang isang aktor. And magaling. Siguro both pareho kaming taga Baguio, so we can relate to a lot of things. We both grew up in Baguio. We both siguro are in showbiz, so we have lots of friends in common also. So hindi siya naging mahirap to become comfortable with one another. So, ayun.
So nabanggit mo kanina si Paolo napakatahimik sa set, very reserved. So what is the best experience or memories na napag-usapan niyo with Paolo on the set?
Si Paolo, mahilig siya mag-joke. Parang medyo bolero din siya, no? Oo, very cold and very deadpan. Yung medyo pa-sarcastic in a way, pero masarap din siyang sumbatan. So parang mag-joke siya, mag-joke ka din. So, yung walang tawanan pero sumbatan lang kayo. Ganun.
So thank you, Miss Kylie, and congratulations again sa inyong dalawa.
Thank you very much. Up next, any other one? Kindly raise your hand if you have any questions.
Ay, hello po. Good evening po. Direk, may question ako. Matt po from La Conchera Lovers. Ang question ko po, yung ending po ba talaga is it design po na ganun? Parang open-ended siya, parang pwedeng siyang lagyan ng part 2 or sequel para matuloy yung story ni Jared sa kanya, Miss Kylie?
Pwedeng, yes, pwedeng may sequel. But ako lang parang, gusto ko lang mag-iwan ng hope for the audience after. So maski yung huling shot natin na yung uniform na parang nagwawagayway bilang flag. So parang yun more of to inspire, uplift, ganun. So kung may part 2, hopefully with your support, maraming manood, and then we do get a part 2 and a 3 even.
Thank you so much, Direk.
Okay, any last question? All right, upstairs.
Hi, Direk and Miss Kylie. My question is, if you're going to choose between love and career, and one lang sa kanila, ano ipipiliin niyo? Yeah, both of you, Direk and Miss Kylie.
Love or career? Love. Kasi sinagot na nila ito nung isa, pwede mo makitain yung pera, pero kung may mahal ka, especially in my case, may asawa na ako, 3 anak. So, I will never replace what I have with my wife and my kids. at this point, that's the most important thing to me. And then career is a close second, but priority is love, my family.
If I were to choose between love, like a perfect love or a perfect career, I would rather choose having a perfect love, because a perfect love won't stop you from having a perfect career.
Na-mind-blowing siya.
Actually, nasagot ko na yun, guys. So, na-stress ko.
Okay, thank you to our...
Hopefully you get inspired, you know, to uplift yourselves and your stations in life. So this April 24, please watch Elevator.
Sa lahat ng mga nandito, maraming salamat for coming, and lahat kayo invited dito because we know na malaki po yung influence nyo sa industriya nito. So sana po nagustuhan niyo po yung movie, and sana po supportahin niyo yung movie. And I hope you share it to your friends, to your vlogs, to your socials na to help support this movie, because this movie means so much to us. Hindi lang para sa amin, pero it really gives a wonderful lesson about Pinoys, about love, about hardship. So, sana po tulungan niyo po kami i-promote to. So, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
Once again, there you have it. Team Elevator, congratulations. This time we'll have...
Ganda talaga.
Wait, picturean ko kayo. Oh my God! I love it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
I have a few questions.
Yes.
I'm from